Hello, in this video we will see how to optimize the PMOS transistor for the current with simulation width. So we will optimize the simulation width of the PMOS for different drain currents. So as you can see, this is the circuit which we have designed, and we have kept the width to be a variable capital W. So we will vary the width and plot different drain currents for different values of the width. The length we have kept fixed at 500 nanometer. So we will optimize this PMOS for drain current. So as you can see, we will do the DC analysis, and component parameter we are choosing as simulation width small w. So as you can see, the parameter name I have kept as small w. So I will vary it from 400 N to 40 micrometer, 400 nanometer to 40 micrometer. So we will apply this. So we will plot the drain current now. So this is the drain current. We will plot this for different values of the width of the PMOS. So this is the optimization process. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel also for more such videos on Cadence Virtuoso. So it says parameter W is not set. So we will give a value, say 40 mu, 40 U. So now there is no error, so the program will execute. So as you can see, this is the drain current on y-axis for different values of simulation width on the x-axis. So we can optimize the width for any value of drain current. So press H key on your keyboard. So if we press the H key on our keyboard, then we can see that we have this drain current. Now I can select any value of drain current. So if I want to find what should be the width for, say, drain current 200 microampere. So as you can see, this is the width 3.69 mu, and we can find for different values of drain current like 250 microampere. So that should be 4.62 micrometer should be the width. We can also select the width and plot the value of drain current. So as you can see, by pressing the V key of our keyboard. So as you can see, for 3 micrometer the drain current is 162.16 microampere, and for 3.5 microampere the drain current is 189.24 microampere. So in this way, the different values of drain current and simulation width can be optimized. So we will obtain the maximum performance from our PMOS, because if we want a fixed current, then we have to keep a fixed width. So for that fixed width value, we can find the drain current. So we can vary the other values also, like we can uh, vary length and keep width fixed. So that depends on the application only. And we can optimize NMOS also in a similar way. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more such videos.